Hey folks, it's Turtle Tracks again, and today we are tracking Catherine and Jimmy, and I have some adventurers with me today to look for both of these turtles, and they are going to lead us on this hunt, and here they are. What is your name?
Elena.
Elena, okay, and you're going to be our first turtle tracker. You have the equipment and we're ready to go. What is your name?
Jenny.
Jenny, and?
Morgan.
Morgan. All right, y'all, let's go find these turtles. You're right. Well, let's just go find her then. Hey girls, while we were walking this trail, we have discovered something that I call trail magic. Right here, this is trail magic. This is wild blueberries, and you're welcome to eat some of them unless you're allergic to blueberries. So have some, they're great. Tell me what you think. You know, a lot of people would walk right by this because they're not used to eating wild food. But this is not something you want to pass. They're little this year, but they're nice and sweet, aren't they?
Yep. That was a good one.
We may find some wild blackberries on up the trail here. So let's go find them. And the turtle. I think I need a couple more. Wow.
We on top of her?
I think we might be. Wow. We are on top of her, aren't we? Yeah.
It seems a bit quieter in that direction, but the rest sounds the same.
What do you think now? Straight ahead? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we've tracked Catherine to this point, and we are now walking into the driveway of this house because she is very near this house, and she's come near this house. She's passed this house many times in her travels over the last 4 years. She's that way, isn't she? Over there by the house. Jenny, would you like the track?
Oh, I'll let them have at it for a while.
Okay. So you can see how that this house is in the habitat of this box turtle. And if they had put this house, oh, I don't know, 150 feet to the right, it might be right in her path that she follows every year to walk between the area where she lays her eggs and home.
It's going to the top.
Mm-hmm. We're very close.
Let's see about that direction.
Okay. Swing back to your left just to make sure it's not that way. And kind of move really slowly over back to your right. Yep, I think you're right. All right, I'm going to lead the way into the forest, and you can follow me in until we find her.
Yeah.
Did you look at the bars on it?
No, I'm turning. There's one.
Mm-hmm.
I'll try the opposite.
Oh,
Oh, now there's
That's what I was wondering.
1.5.
we may have passed her.
No, it's not there.
Okay. Head back up the trail. Let's see what we do. What happens if we go this way?
No, it doesn't have.
Hold it up above your head. And turn all the way around. See what you get. Seemed like it was back there, doesn't it? We've come to a junction in the trail, and there's a really nice little fire pit area here. What do you... I've left the girls over on the trail because it's just really thick in here, and the signal has led me deep into this blueberry thicket. I may have passed her. Somewhere in these huckleberries. All right, we found Catherine. Y'all come down and take a look at her. And what a crazy adventure that was. We walked all down through the woods following a crazy bouncing signal, only to find her just across from the house where we first came down, sitting right here under the leaves.
Yeah.
Y'all see her?
Yep.
And she is sitting in a little form back into the leaves, waiting for the heat of the day to pass so that she can come out later today and hunt for all kinds of yummy things to eat, like slugs and snails and berries and such. And that's probably why she's right here, because there's a blackberry thicket right up there and all around the edge of the forest here. And not to mention all these buckberries and blueberries that are ripe right now. So why don't we do some data collection on her and then head back home. We just dropped an earthworm in front of Catherine, and I think she's going for it.
I think it's got it. Or it's getting
There she goes. Yeah, she's gonna get it. Oh, get it, Catherine. She missed it. Oh, it got away from you. The earthworm. Oh, she's going after it. Look at her. Well, evaded by an earthworm. Amazing. Okay, so we found Catherine. What did you think about this experience?
I'll go first.
Okay.
I thought it was a lot of fun. It was
Yeah.
a nice afternoon, or morning, I guess, walk in the woods.
Yeah.
Did you learn anything?
We did. We learned what all the relative humidity and temperatures and things are.
And that following a turtle in the wild is a little harder than it may seem, because the transmitter's signal bounces all over the place and leads you all on wild turtle chases like we did, right?
Absolutely.
But we found her. So that was a really cool adventure, and thank you all for coming.
Thanks for having us.
You're welcome.